Okay, so this is a last problem on polymers, and this is actually, if you look at the problem carefully, it is quite related to the organic chemical reactions, and then just using for extension to the polymer cases. And they even explain it to you that these polymers made from the condensation reaction. Condensation reaction is something like water is being formed as a condensate. I remember where the water is forming as a byproduct. So it's actually explained right here. And draw the two reactants. So what are the two reactants? So then now I want to use a lighter color. So yeah, this is a chemical functional group, and this is an amide, and that is going to be repeated here, right? So you can imagine that you can write these bonds like that, right? This is repeated like this. So therefore, I can start to put it in here as looks like this is coming from diacid, and then this is coming from diamine, right? Diacid, diamine. But because one thing that I know for sure is when the acid reacts with amine, they will form amide bond with water as a byproduct, which is called a condensation reaction. So therefore, the two reactant here is HOCO, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. At the end is a 9, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm sorry that this is an 8. Okay, so let me just rewrite that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is a 8 carbon diacid. Okay, so this is a 8 means octane diacid. And then what we see here is we are seeing this 4 carbons with amines attached to at the end, right? So this is how so this is diamine of butane. So it's a butane diamine. Okay. So this is a compound, and this is a compound with this amide bonding. And if you learn taping up, and then this is actually one of the nylon. The nylon is a class of polyamide. So that's the polyester is a polyester, so it's a nylon polymers as one. So this is the first monomer, diacid. Oh, sorry that there's no E here. Diacid, and the number 2, which is a diamine. These are the compound made to make this polymer from polycondensation. So that's why it's called a polycondensation reaction to make this polymer.